This video demonstrates how to configure PTMP bridging using Ruijie Reyee App. A point-to-multipoint bridge is suitable for outdoor scenarios where multiple pairs of bridges are required to solve cabling issues while keeping costs within limits. This video uses the shown topology as an example to demonstrate how to configure PTMP bridging. Ensure the following conditions are met before configuration. Log into Ruijie Reyee App and choose Toolkit Bridge Pairing. Tap Start Pairing. Select base station first and tap Next. Tap Connect to Management Wi-Fi. After connecting to the management Wi-Fi signal broadcast by the base station, return to Ruijie Reyee App. Set the device management password. Tap the Add icon to scan for nearby customer premises equipment. Select the CPE and tap Start Pairing. After the bridging process is complete, tap Add Network to create a project on Ruijie Reyee App for further management. If management is not required, tap Back. Enter the project name and device management password, and tap Create a Project. On the displayed page, tap OK to access the project homepage. Choose Toolkit Bridge Pairing to pair bridges in another group using the same method. Unlike the initial configuration, you need to enter the configured management password of the base station for verification. Tap Discover New CPE. Select another bridge and tap Start Pairing to complete the bridging process. Tap Back. Tap Project and then tap the created project to access the project homepage. Tap the topology to view the bridging groups. Check whether the base station is paired with each CPE. Expand Bridge Workspace to perform more management configurations. Thank you for watching. Scan the QR code on the left to provide feedback or share your suggestions about the video. Scan the QR code on the right to access product documentation on the Ruijie Reyee official website. Your support is the driving force for our progress. See you in the next video.